Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell products on Amazon USA from Canada. Let's get started. Selling on Amazon USA from Canada is an incredible opportunity to tap into a market over 10 times larger than your domestic one. While it involves some specific steps, it's a very straightforward process once you know the key requirements. I'll walk you through everything from account setup to taxes, so you can start with confidence. First, you need to create your Amazon seller account. Head to sellercentral.amazon.com. You'll be prompted to choose a selling plan. You have two options, individual or professional. If you plan to sell more than 40 items a month, which you likely do if you're serious about this, choose the professional plan. It costs $39.99 USD per month. But here's a valuable hack for you as a Canadian. You can sign up for the professional plan through sellercentral.amazon.ca instead. This plan costs only $29.99 CAD per month, and it gives you a unified North American account. This means you pay less every month in Canadian dollars, but you still get full access to sell on Amazon.com in the United States. Amazon.it's not the same content that follows the structure of a property on Amazon.com. When you sign up, you'll be asked for your business location and type. As a Canadian, you can operate as a sole proprietor using your social insurance number SIN initially. A very common question is whether you need to form a US LLC or a Canadian corporation right away. For most beginners, the answer is no. It's not a requirement to start selling. You can begin as a sole proprietor to validate your business idea. Incorporating can come later, once you are profitable and want the benefits of limited liability or specific tax strategies. Starting simple keeps your upfront costs low. Next, you'll need to provide your banking information for Amazon to deposit your sales. This is a crucial step. You can start by simply entering your existing Canadian bank account details. Amazon will convert your US dollar sales into Canadian dollars and deposit them every 2 weeks. However, this comes with Amazon's currency conversion rate, which may not be the most favorable. For long-term efficiency, many successful sellers open a US-based bank account. This doesn't mean just a US dollar account at your Canadian bank, it means an account with a bank that is physically located in the United States. Some Canadian banks like RBC and BMO offer cross-border banking services with US branches. This allows you to receive US dollars directly, save on exchange fees, and simplify paying US-based expenses like supplier costs. You will also need a chargeable credit card. It can be Canadian for your Amazon seller fees, a government-issued ID, and a phone number for account verification. Amazon will guide you through an automated tax interview during setup. As a Canadian seller, you will complete a form called a W-8BEN for individuals or W-8BENE for corporations. This form tells the U.S. Internal Revenue Service, IRS, that you are a non-resident seller. Because of the tax treaty between Canada and the U.S., this ensures you will pay your business income tax to the Canada Revenue Agency (CRA) in Canada, not to the IRS. This process is integrated and simple with an Amazon setup. A more complex topic is sales tax. In the US, this is often called a nexus. At the very beginning, you do not need to worry about collecting US state sales taxes. Your focus should be on launching your product. However, as your sales grow, you may create what's called an economic nexus in certain states, typically after reaching a sales threshold like $100,000 in that state. When that happens, you are required to register for a sales tax permit in that state and begin collecting and remitting tax. Amazon can automatically collect this tax from customers on your behalf once you provide your permit numbers. For now, just be aware of this for the future. Remember, you cannot store your inventory in a Canadian Amazon fulfillment center and have it fulfill orders to US customers. To use Amazon's Fulfillment by Amazon FBA service in the US, you must ship your inventory directly to Amazon's fulfillment centers located within the United States. Your supply chain and shipping plans must account for this cross-border logistics step. Finally, running an international e-commerce business means you're constantly accessing sensitive platforms, your Amazon Seller Central, your bank accounts, supply portals, often from different networks. Whether you're working from a coffee shop or your home office, securing your internet connection is critical to protect your business data, financial details, and customer information from potential cyber threats. Every time you log in to manage your store or check sales, you're transmitting valuable data. This is where adding a VPN to your business toolkit makes a lot of sense. A VPN, or virtual private network, encrypts your online connection, creating a secure tunnel for your data. This is especially important when you're accessing public Wi-Fi, but it's a good security practice for any online business activity. It helps shield your login credentials and sensitive business operations from hackers. For a reliable and secure solution that offers strong encryption without slowing down your connection, which is vital when you're managing inventory and orders, I recommend NordVPN. It's a more secure alternative that helps keep your cross-border business activities protected. Check out the link in the description below to try NordVPN at a great price.